Hi, good morning friends. Welcome to PY classes. So today I am going to write a program for the question is write a program to print all the character from string with the index number in Java. So using Java I have to write a program. So my requirement is, let's say for example, my requirement is, so I have to, I means let's say a string name equals to, let's say I have taken py classes. Okay, so in a string I got one value, that is py classes, and this is my input. Okay, and my requirement is to print this value in console with, so the output should be like, see, I want my output like the character at index first is, what is the first character at the index 1 is p. Okay, so in same way second is, the second line should be the char at index second is kya, what is here, we have y. So in same fashion we want the output for entire the entire alphabets which we have in this string. Okay, so this is the requirement. Any string, for example I have taken py classes, you can anything, you can take anything here. Just my requirement is to print the value using Java, means I need to write the concept so that the output should be like, it should print all the character with the index, so with this with the position of its index, so at what position which character is coming. So this is this is the requirement. I hope you understand the what is our requirement. So I will write the program in Eclipse for this. So here, so just I have taken one class. Inside that class I have taken main method, and as our requirement is to print the value, right? So I will take one string here, string, and I will store in a variable name and give the name as py classes. So this name I want to print, so I have stored in a string in a name variable. Okay, and my requirement is to print character wise, right? So I will store this string into character array, to character array. Okay, so I have stored it in a character array, and the return type is char array for this. So I will store it in character array, char let's say char c I am giving here. Okay, so in this I am storing all this value in this char in this c array. So now what I will do is I need to print all the value, right? So I will take one for loop, int I equals to, I will start from 0. Why 0? Because we all know character sorry, array starts from 0. Okay, so that is why I am initializing I equals to 0 and c. Okay, and I will take the length of c dot length, I should be less than c dot length. Okay, c dot length and then I plus plus. I hope till here everything is clear. What happened? C dot length method is here. Yeah, now it's fine. Okay, so what I have taken the my alphabets, whatever is my requirement, that I have stored in a string, and after that what I am doing is I am converting this string to a character array. After converting, just I have stored in a character array variable c, and I have taken the size of this length. means I'm taking the size of this string, whatever the size is. So let's say for here 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9, 9 alphabets are here. So it will store, it will get the value 9. Okay, and it will iterate for 9 times and it will print all the value. That is why I have taken this length. Let's say you have taken a sentence which have 100 words, then it will this for loop will iterate for 100 times. So till here everything is clear, I hope. So now what I will do is I need to print, right? So I will use system.out.println. So this is the syntax in Java to print the value. So what I will take is the char at index attribute index first, index first is, I need to print this value is okay. So I have stored here, right, in C. So C dot C dot name dot character at index. At what index? I have given I here, so I will pass here I. Okay, so now this will work. So the character at index I, so this will print the value with the count of character. It will give me the position of that character. Character. Okay, so here I'll give is and then concat this. So I hope this will give the required. Let me run it first. Yeah, you can see the output now. I got it, right? The character at index 0 is P. Why 0? Because the array will start from 0. So at 0th position the character is, the alphabet I is P. At first position it is Y. Second position it is blank because there I have given a space. Fourth position, third position C. Fourth is L. Fifth is A. Sixth is S. Seventh S. Eighth E. Ninth S. So I got the output in my as per my requirement. So if you simply want to print the value, then just remove this all. Just print. Now you will get only the string value what you have given as an input. See, py classes. Let me expand. Yeah, py classes, right? So if you want entire string in a single line, then just remove this ln method, this ln, control s and run it. You will, yeah, py classes in a single line you will get the output. So I hope you got the concept. What I have done is just I have stored this value in a string, then I have converted this variable to a character array and stored in a character array, and then I have taken one for loop initialized with 0, and I have taken the length of that character, entire length, and then iteration, that increment operator. The for loop concept already I have discussed in previous video. So if you have any problem in understanding the for loop, the iteration steps of for loop, then you can go through that video. That will help you to understand the concept of for loop. And then what I am doing here is just printing the value of the input what we gave. So this is the basic concept of Java. So in most of the interview you will get this kind of questions. So they will give you some string, they will ask you to find the duplicates, reverse the string, trunk, so many operations. They can ask you anything. So for those things you need to be very clear, because if you don't understand the concept, then you cannot by heart any, because see what you can by heart, mostly you can by heart 2 3 4 5 6 programs, but there are lakhs, millions of concepts are there. So everything you cannot by heart. So better understand the concept and you just use your brain there. So I hope this is clear. Next time again I will come with different question and we'll discuss all the hot questions of interview.